To lock apps on Samsung Galaxy F07, first of all, we'll need to open the settings on our device. Next step is to scroll down, and here we need to locate the security and privacy. When you open it, then navigate down to more security settings, and then you'll be able to find secure folder. Now you can perform a setup for your secure folder and create the password that you want to use to unlock the apps. Now when we have our secure folder, we'll be able to open it from home screen, or you can also find it in the app drawer if you're using it. So here's our secure folder. You can already see some of the apps that are added. You can click on the plus button to add more apps and then lock them. In this case, we're going to focus on the camera, let's say. So as you can see, there's camera right here in secure folder, but I also have camera in my home screen. Now, those two apps are different, and I will show you that by opening camera right here on the home screen. And as you can see, it has a photo mode. Now, if I open my secure folder and navigate to the camera right here again, it won't have the photo mode. I will select the video instead. And that way, if I open running apps, there's the video mode camera right here, and then there's the photo mode camera right here. So those two apps are different, and they are still visible, but the secure folder apps are locked behind password and use different instance. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.